Here we come to the elevators at Tower 3 at Banner. These are generic, but they have a Innovation Prestige, I think. One should be coming. It's gonna be this one.
No, it's the one in the back.
Yep, that one. Sound like this one.
Oh,
All right,
sorry.
it's the carts. This is very nice, even though this was a mod. Fully modernized.
Yep.
Totally modernized.
4?
Let's go up to 4. Innovation Prestige.
That's what those are called.
Innovation Prestige and Innovation Universal Fire Service. Very nice. Security camera.
These are tractions.
Yep.
One of the other enthusiasts around here did film these in original
Yeah.
condition.
Yeah, alright, there's round
Got
4.
a B.
And the door close button works. This is a hospital sized elevator.
I mean, it's a hospital, so makes sense.
Yeah.
I like the clicky buttons of Innovation Prestige. Wait, is it gonna say basement or floor B?
Probably basement. Oh, floor B.
One of the I don't.
This
I heard. Let's go up to 1 for now, and then actually 2 later. Because 2 is how you get between the towers.
We'll go up to 2 then.
Yeah, let's go up to 2. We'll go 1 briefly, but it's gonna stop here anyway, so we're good.
We'll just let it close up.
Floor 1 going up.
Innovation voice.
It looks like they haven't. They're still working on that part.
Yeah. Is this a new mod?
Yeah, this is a mod of 2022, 2023.
Are they still working on that elevator over there?
No, these are all finished, but they're maybe still working on some renovations in this tower.
State ID.
I love the glass panels.
Floor 2.
Yeah, these are nice. Here's a view up the shaft again. Anyways, this is a. Oh. Anyways, there it goes, and that's it.